Hello there, it's Miss Cedra, your art teacher. Welcome to in-home art class. This week we're going to be doing something very different by making our own paints. We're going to be making egg tempura paints. These have been made since the medieval times. We're going to be using egg yolk and spices to make our colors. Let's give it a try. To make our paints, we can use a lot of different things to make different colors, but I'll be using turmeric spice, paprika spice, and matcha tea. Now it gets tricky. In your egg, you have the egg whites and the egg yolk. The egg yolk is that yellow circle inside, and we need to get it separate from the egg whites. The yolk is the sticky part that will save all the color in our painting. This is the easiest way, although you might want to ask Mom and Dad for help. I use a spoon, pick up the egg yolk, and move the spoon slowly till all the egg white drips off. Then I'll put the egg yolk in my little painting bowl. Easy peasy. Just for this example, I'm going to be using 3 different colors. So I've got 3 different egg yolks in 3 different bowls. Once I have my egg yolks, I'm going to add a bit of the spices for color. Don't add too much because you don't want your egg tempura to be too thick. We're done with the tricky part. Now it's time for the fun part. Mixin' and stirrin'. What other things could you use to make color? Are there other spices? Are there certain plants? Like beets, which have a very strong color. What do you have in your home? The egg yolk binds to whatever we put in it, showing the colors so clearly. Ooh, that matcha tea I've chosen made a lovely green. What else could make green? Do you have any chalk at home? Because ground up chalk is perfect for egg tempura. Now that we have our medieval style paints with our choice of colors, I'm going to try a medieval style painting with my sketchbook. Do you have your sketchbook? I'm going to pause right here and let you know that if you have any kind of paper, canvas, or even a cardboard surface, it'll work great with egg tempura. That is all. Let's try painting. Your egg tempura paint should be pretty watery, just like your watercolors, so add water while you're painting. This is just a quick example painting. I was thinking about little flowers. What are you thinking about? What will you paint with your tempura colors? Little yellow sunflowers are mine. What's on your mind? There we go, medieval style. Now that you're done with your paintings, find a nice, cool place for your painting to dry. Egg tempura paint takes a while to dry. I can't wait to see what you've painted and hear about you making your own paints. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.